no, what a mess. Toys are everywhere, oh yes, yes. Mommy says, let's clean today. Put the toys all back in place. Pick them up one by one. Cleaning toys is so much fun. Teddy goes into the bin. Nice and clean, let's begin. Cars and balls go in there too. Cleaning up is fun to do. Friends come help, 1, 2, 3. Cleaning happy as can be. Pick it up and put away. We can clean up every day. Look around, it's nice and clean. Best room that you have seen. Mommy smiles and says, hooray! You did great work today. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Cleaning toys is really sweet. Clean up everyone. Now it's time to play and have fun.